These parts are taken from this cable, which is CMP material. I'm now making the testing for the flame reluctant test. First, we test about the PVC of this inner copper. When the fire left from the PVC, there's no flame appear, and there is only a slight smoke. This is for the jacket of this CMP cable. Again, there is no flame appear, only this smoke. This smoke is also zero halogen smoke, not poisoned. Here, test the cross flame. No fire. This tested the drain wire. This is a cotton material. Still, there's no flame appeared. So this indicates our CMP cable is all flame reluctant at the highest standard.